All right, yes, Miss Abrams.
Sure. So this is a compliance hearing. Do you have a copy of the supplemental report?
Yes.
Okay, so, in the supplemental report, there has been concerns in regards to Mr. Gonzalez's use of alcohol. And, some failed to submit into his ignition interlock device. I spoke with Mr. Gonzalez and he has a couple of reasons that he would like to share with the court. And I do have a couple of recommendations.
All right, so what would you like to share with me?
They were asking, why there was some periods where I didn't have any tests.
Okay, so whenever you speak to me, you need to look me in the eye so I can read whether or not you're being honest with me, all right?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
So what's going on with you?
So there was an instance where I got into a vehicle collision when I was at work. I deliver mail for the postal service, and those vehicles are.
Okay, I can't hear you. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry. Do I need to get?
Everyone, please whisper. No, you're sort of mumbling a little bit.
I'm sorry. I don't know if I know.
Speak up.
Yeah. So anyway, there was a medical issue that I had a procedure done, so I wasn't using my vehicle for a while, and then there was an instance there where they had ripped off my catalytic converters to my vehicle, so I had to send the vehicle in and.
So that's the reasons for you not testing to the vehicle.
Yeah, because there was a couple windows there that she was asking me about that I didn't have tests for.
Explain the alcohol use though.
I just got careless, I don't know how else to describe it. I've been on the program for a while and I just,
So here's my question.
yes, ma'am.
One, did you call probation and tell them you had a accident and somebody stole your catalytic converter?
No.
Did you call them and say, I'm not going to be testing because here's the reason I'm not testing?
No, Your Honor, I didn't.
So you're on probation. And when you don't do things, what ends up happening is motions to revoke are filed. Now, some judges, they would have looked at this and they would just said, file a motion to revoke. And then you would have been taken into custody. Either you would have made bond or you would not have been able to make bond. And then from that, maybe you lose your job, which I don't think you want to lose your job. So the actions that you are taking are not good actions. They're not telling me that you want to successfully complete probation. So far, what you're telling me is you want to be revoked.
I hope I'm not giving you.
No, that's what I'm getting because you're not staying in contact with probation and you're drinking alcohol. Here's the thing, whether or not you are on probation, it could be for anything. It could have absolutely nothing to do with alcohol, right? Let's say it's a theft case, has absolutely nothing to do with alcohol. You never use drugs, whatever it may be. According to the law in Texas, when you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol, period. And there's something going on with you. That's the reason why you're on ignition interlock.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what I'm going to tell you is if you don't follow these rules, there may not be any more compliance hearings for you. There may just be a submission of a motion to revoke. If it's in order, I'm going to sign it and they will pick you up wherever you may be. And then we will hear your case. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What are you suggesting?
Judge, what I am suggesting is an increase in his test windows for the ignition and interlock device. Currently, I believe he's testing 3 times a day.
Mhm.
I would ask that be increased to 5 times a day.
Mhm.
Weekly drug tests for 30 to 45 days. And an extension of the device for however long the court mandates.
Wait,
I
just give me one moment. Let me find this. And I'm sorry, you wanted weekly drug testing for how long?
30 to 45 days, Judge.
All right. And then what else are you asking for?
Judge, in reviewing his file, I did notice a tap was completed and amended conditions were signed for him to go through the intensive outpatient treatment, monthly UAs and sober support meetings. In reviewing the file, I don't see that he has been placed in the treatment or a referral has been sent So I would also recommend intensive outpatient treatment.
All right, is there anything else? All right, so we're gonna try this and see how it works with you. If there are issues, you need to contact probation because you're looking at potentially just one moment. Yaya, I'm printing something over there. If you could grab it for me, please. You're looking at potentially 2 years in the state jail facility for what you're charged with. And when you go to the state jail facility, that's day for day time. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In order to be successful on probation in this court, communication is key. If you do not follow through, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
All right, do better, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.